Welcome to the Tesla Model Y, Yofer Design Max Edition front bumper kit installation video. The full kit features a genuine carbon fiber hood, side skirts, rear diffuse and a real carbon fiber wing. Step 1. Install carbon fiber hood, transfer OEM mounting hardware to the new hood. Mount and align the hood onto vehicle. Pre-assemble the lower grille, clip in the lower painted trim. Ensure the clips are fully seated and secure. Attach the main bumper to the lower grille. Clip in the trims and ensure a secure fit. Install the logo trim piece. Ensure all the clips are fully seated. Remove the OEM horn speaker assembly. Install the horn speaker onto the new underbody tray. Fasten the main bumper assembly to the underbody tray. The bumper is now complete. With two people align the bumper to the vehicle. Plug in the horn speaker harness. Plug in any radar or sensor cables if applicable. Clip in the bumper edges. Reinstall the fender trim. Install the clips into the lower bumper edge. Bolt in the underbody fasteners. Bolt in the upper section of the bumper. Reinstall the front assembly. Reinstall the vent cover. Apply the Yofer logo toward the bumper. Time for the side skirts. Remove OEM fasteners. Apply adhesion promoter to new side skirt. Wait 5 minutes and apply 3M VHB tape to side skirt. Prep OEM side skirt with alcohol the adhesion promoter. Align side skirt, then peel the film off the tape. Press firmly for at least 30 seconds. Install fasteners. Apply the Yofer logo to finish. Now for the rear diffuser. Transfer OEM reflectors to the diffuser. Easy clip-in installation. Transfer the steel clips into place. Apply adhesion promoter to the brake light area. Install the pre-cut 3M VHB tape. Mount the third brake light. Install the rear diffuser onto the bumper. Ensure all fasteners are securely installed. Reinstall sensor harnesses if applicable. Install the third brake light harness. Mount the full rear bumper assembly. Clip in the edges. Reinstall the bumper fasteners. Lastly, install the Yofer logo, test tail lights and third brake light. Now for the carbon fiber wing. Apply adhesion promoter to the base. Wait 5 minutes and apply the pre-cut 3M tape. Prep the surface with alcohol and adhesion promoter. Alight and mount the rear wing spoiler. Press down for at least 30 seconds. Don't forget that Yofer logo. Transformation is now complete.